Hi, hello friends. I welcome you all to my another YouTube learning video. So today we are going to see Bank Nifty analysis for coming week. That is from dated 27th of April to 30th of April, right? So let me tell you one thing. The in coming week there are only 4 trading sessions. Friday market is going to remain closed. It's a holiday, so there are only 4 trading sessions, so you have to be trade very cautiously, right? So we are going to see how Bank Nifty can give movement in coming week, right? So this is the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. Let me take you to daily chart. 1 second. Okay. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. So here what we can see is Bank Nifty started falling from here, then gave an up move, then it is reducing its range, right? Its range, even we can see the complete range here. Okay, just a second. I'll draw the trend lines to give a better view. Okay, so to draw that we need to select the trend line, and then upper line. Okay, so I hope you can see something here, right? You can see here a pattern here. I have discussed this pattern earlier also. So this pattern is called a triangle pattern, right? So there are a lot of patterns, like a lot of patterns into the triangle patterns also. I will talk about that in my coming videos. So let me just tell you, this pattern is called as ascending triangle pattern. Okay, it is called as ascending triangle pattern. I'll show you some details. I'll talk about some details. As we can see, the Bank Nifty is moving within this pattern. So what we can expect this week is like it can either continue moving between this pattern, or it can give a breakout. Let me tell you about this pattern. This pattern is more likely to give a breakout. And when does it give a breakout? Whenever it touches or it crosses the resistance the third time, right? Let me just show you once again. See, here it has resistance tested first time, here the second time. Now we can see it can test here third time. So more likely it can give a breakout here, or it can give a breakout again, it can come down, and then it can give a breakout on the fourth time. Okay, so we have to plan our trades accordingly. So this is the daily charts. As I was saying, we are going to analyze for the week. So this week we can expect, let me take you to the 30-minute candle, 30 minutes time frame. Just a second. Yeah, in 30 minutes we can see this in a broader way, right? So what can we do now is how can we take entry now? Okay, so Monday market can open slightly positive, so you can take an entry here, somewhere here. Let me just draw a small line. Somewhere here you can take a entry, okay, with a target of, you can keep a target of 19,900. somewhere between 19,850 to 19,900 should be your first target. And what should be your stop loss? You can keep a stop loss of this. Your stop loss should be 19,500. Your entry price is around 19,600, and your stop loss is around 19,500, and your first target should be of 19,000 this is 19,900, right? Your first target should be 19,900. And if you want to play for a positionally, so you can buy a option here and then you can hold it till the expiry, right? So this is your first target, and this can be your second target is 20,300, right? So third target can be somewhere around here. So third target can be 20,900, somewhere between 20,800 to 20,900. See, I have given 3 levels now, so you have to be trade according to levels, right? I'll take back to 1 day pattern. See, as per daily candles, as I said earlier, it is more likely to give a breakout. So whenever such pattern gives a breakout, what is our target? Targets are very important, right? So I just tell you this range. As you can see, this range, right? The height of this range becomes the target. For an example, if it is giving a breakout from here, from this level, then the target can be somewhere around here. So I'll just take you to the weekly candle so that we can just see the resistance, where we can see our targets, right? If a breakout happens, where we can see our targets, where we can see Bank Nifty to move in further week. I'm not saying that this breakout might happen in coming week itself, but it can happen in 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so this week you have to your target would be somewhere around 20,900, 20,800 to 20,900. Okay, this is weekly target. And for positionally, I just, if a breakout happens, okay, mark my words, I'm saying if breakout happens, then we can see this level, from this level to this level. This is the major resistance area for Bank Nifty as of now. So if a breakout happens here, so we can see Bank Nifty trading somewhere between 20,600, 20,500 to 24,000, 23,500 to 24,000. Somewhere between here, market can take a resistance, and from there we can expect a fall. Okay, since it is a good resistance, it has not tested at least not even once it has tested, so we can see a good fall from here, right? So for this week, how are we going to trade? Let me just tell you once again. Daily chart. This week we are going to take trades from here. We are going to buy here in this area, Monday opening. You can buy an option first, or you can buy an option and hold till 29,800, sorry, not 29,000, 20,900 or 20,800. You can book profits over there, or you can buy futures here. In futures you can take entry and you can exit at the same range of 20,800 to 20,900. Okay, so this is my weekly analysis for Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty we can expect at least 1,500 points. Now it is 19,500, so 20,000 and 21,000, so we can expect 1,500 points in this week, positively, not negatively. Okay, so for better moment, I'm planning to take a positional trade. So if you want to trade with me, like I have a free channel, so you can join us over there. I will be providing the link of the channel. Telegram, it's a Telegram channel, so you can join us using the link. The link will be given in the description below, so do join us. I'll keep posting some charts and some important things, sometimes I even provide some calls also, so it might be useful to you. And other than that, if you want to join a premium subscription, we have a premium subscription at 1,500 per month, and there we give daily, we give 3 to 5 calls every day. Okay, 5 calls like stock calls. We also give cash calls, future calls, and option bank nifty options calls also. So if you want to trade with us, and let me tell you, all calls are like managed properly, like even I trade with that calls. So those are I provide good quality calls. Okay, so you can just check our performance in our free channel, and if you likely to trade with us, then you can join our premium channel. So that's it for the day. So I hope in coming week you will take such a good it's a good pattern, so I just thought to share it with you. Trade cautiously, and importantly, please don't keep small stop losses, because markets are likely to hit your stop loss and then it will give movement. So don't keep small stop losses, keep some bigger stop losses, and buy on every dip. Whenever you get a dip, please buy on that. So my expectation, I already discussed my expectation is somewhere between 20,800 to 20,900 our market can go this week. And whenever breakout happens, my expectation is like 20,600 to 24,000 we can see bank nifty in few weeks. Okay, I'm not saying few sessions, in coming week, because the trading range is getting smaller, right? So it has to give a big breakout in few sessions, also few sessions. So we might see a breakout in few sessions. Okay, so that's it for the day. So please share this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please comment if you have any doubts or any queries. I will provide my WhatsApp number in this description. You can WhatsApp me or you can comment below. I will definitely read your comment and try to answer you. So that's it for the day. I regularly come up with a new video. I'm planning to come make some more videos so that it might be useful to you. And with every video, my only suggestion is try to learn something try to learn something in the video. See, I have talked about a pattern today, so try to Google this pattern and try to gain some more knowledge about this pattern. Definitely I'm going to talk about this pattern in coming days, so don't worry about that, but still please take some initiative and try to learn. Okay, I'll keep learning and keep growing. Until next video, thank you. That's it for the day.